Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have this heavy-duty metal plant caddy. So we're going to open this thing up. It's got a lot of tape on it. So let's hope that opened it up enough. It did. So it comes very well packaged, I'll tell you that. Okay, got 4 wheels. Can you see what I'm doing here? Let me aim you down a little bit so you can check it out as I go. So it comes with the metal plant caddy here. So this is it, and this is heavy duty. We can put these are on here. I'm gonna guess I'm gonna have to screw it on as I go. Let's try this a different way. Sorry, I'm a righty. You guys can't see what I'm doing here. I'm gonna try to do this in front of the camera here to put it on here, but you get the idea. You put it on, and then it comes with a little wrench to tighten up the wheel. So there. So now that wheel is on, and you see it's got a lock on it as well. So there's that. Looks like, do they all have? All 4 of them have locks, so you can really lock this thing in place good. Sorry, I have to start them. Well, you can't see, but you get the idea. Oop. I'm going to get down to the level of this, and then I can do it much easier. Okay, there's number 2. I'm gonna say, if you have your own wrench, you might want to use that. This one here is just so thin, it's hard to grab on the bolt, but I can, but it's just not the easiest. But I think they're not gonna give you a $100 wrench. Oops! I'm not gonna give you a fancy wrench for assembling the item that you used once. Okay, let's do this a better way here. There we go. Got it started, and there we go. So now we have all 4 on here. And this is my plant stand, and it's got a nice roll to it. You can kind of aim different directions. If you look at the bottom, it's got the little kind of plasticky, it's a little bit more rubberized than the rest of the plastic, so it's not going to scratch up a hardwood floor or anything like that. So this is nice. So I can go and put my plants on here, and if I want to keep it in a certain location, I can just clip all these suckers down, and then I have a plant stand that doesn't move. So very cool. I like it. Thumbs up.